On the basis of secret information on Thursday night, the police of P.R Bari police station in Rajnagar managed to recover a large quantity of drug-resistant cough syrup. A drug dealer was also arrested by the police. The name of the arrested drug dealer is Devnath. Again on Thursday night, on the basis of secret information, the police of P.R Bari police station in Rajnagar managed to recover a large quantity of drug-resistant cough syrup. A drug dealer was also arrested by the police. The name of the arrested drug dealer is Devnath. The house is in Nawabad area of North Srirampur. The OC of P.R Bari police station said that on the basis of secret information, a raid was conducted at the house of Devnath, a resident of Nawabad area of North Srirampur under Rajnagar RD block. After searching the house for a long time, 100 bottles of fancy dial and 125 bottles of various brands of foreign liquor were recovered from different parts of the house. Along with the recovery of drugs, the owner of the house, Devnath, has been arrested.
आज पीआर बाड़ी थाना उत्तर श्रीरामपुर नोआबाद ग्रामे रामेश्वर देवनाथের বাড়িতে আমরা রেড করি। ওনার বাড়ি থেকে 100 বোতল ফ্যান্সি ডিল, বিভিন্ন জাতীয় বিলিতি মদ 125 বোতল সিজ করি এবং রামেশ্বর দেবনাথকে আমরা অ্যারেস্ট করি। এই বিরুদ্ধে আমরা একটি মামলা নিয়েছি, মামলা তদন্ত করছি এবং ওনার সাথে এই ব্যবসায় আর কে কে জড়িত আছে আমরা এগুলো তদন্তের মাধ্যমে বের করব এবং ওনাদের বিরুদ্ধে আইনগত ব্যবস্থা নেব।
The police have registered a case against the drug dealer under the NDPS Act. Police handed over Devnath to Bilonia Court on Friday afternoon. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.